Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool for tech experts. Today, it is an opportunity that anyone can use to create income, even with no advanced skills. With the release of GPT-5, new doors have opened for beginners who want to make money online. This AI model is powerful, user-friendly, and adaptable. If you learn how to use it effectively, you can turn it into a personal assistant that helps you earn. In this video, we are going to explore beginner-friendly methods that you can start today, step by step. The goal here is not to confuse you with complicated strategies. Instead, you will see simple ways that average people are already using to generate real income with GPT-5. Understanding GPT-5 before you start. Before we dive into the methods, it is important to understand what GPT-5 really is. Think of it as a highly advanced text-based assistant. It can write, edit, explain, brainstorm, and create digital content in seconds. It works in natural language, which means you can simply type your requests in plain English, and GPT-5 responds like a professional writer, marketer, or tutor. The advantage for beginners is clear. You do not need technical knowledge. You do not need expensive tools. GPT-5 is designed to make complex work simple. That is why beginners can jump in and start earning quickly if they are consistent and creative. Method 1. Freelance writing and content creation. One of the simplest ways to start making money with GPT-5 is by offering freelance writing services. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are filled with people looking for blog posts, product descriptions, and marketing copy. The problem for many freelancers is the time it takes to produce quality writing. GPT-5 solves this problem by helping you draft, polish, and format professional work in minutes. As a beginner, you can start small. Offer short blog posts or social media captions. Use GPT-5 to generate the first draft. Then, read it carefully. Adjust the tone, and personalize it for the client. Within a few weeks, you can build a portfolio and increase your rates. The key is not to deliver raw AI text, but to use GPT-5 as a foundation that saves you time. Clients pay for quality and speed, and with AI, you can deliver both. Method 2. Social media management. Every business needs a social media presence, but most owners are too busy to manage it. Here's where you can step in. GPT-5 can create social media calendars, write captions, suggest hashtags, and even generate ideas for trending posts. Imagine telling a client that you will handle their Instagram or TikTok page. You then use GPT-5 to plan 1 month of content in an afternoon. You schedule posts, provide engaging captions, and maintain consistency. Beginners can charge a few $100s per month for this service. As you gain more clients, this turns into recurring income. Method 3. YouTube. Script writing. YouTube is one of the largest platforms for content consumption. Creators constantly need scripts for their videos. Many do not enjoy writing, but they love filming and editing. That is where you come in. GPT-5 can generate full YouTube scripts on any topic, from finance to travel to motivation. As a beginner, you can offer script writing services to small creators. Start with 5-minute scripts. Over time, move to longer formats. Since you now have AI assistants, you can produce several scripts per day without exhaustion. Even better, you can launch your own faceless YouTube channel. Instead of paying someone else, you use GPT-5 to write scripts, pair them with AI voiceovers, and edit stock visuals. This way, you own the channel and keep all the ad revenue. Method 4. Ebooks and digital products. Digital products are one of the best beginner methods for long-term passive income. GPT-5 can help you write ebooks, guides, and workbooks on popular topics. For example, you can create a beginner's guide to fitness, personal finance, or learning English. Once you have the content, you format it using free design tools. Then, sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, but they keep generating sales month after month. GPT-5 reduces the hardest part, which is writing, and allows you to focus on marketing. Method 5. Tutoring and education services. If you enjoy teaching or explaining, GPT-5 can amplify your ability. You can offer tutoring services in subjects like English, math, or even career skills. GPT-5 helps by creating lesson plans, practice exercises, and study guides. For example, if you are teaching English online, you can ask GPT-5 to create a 10-minute dialogue exercise or vocabulary quiz. Your students get high-quality materials, and you save hours of preparation. Beginners can start small by offering one-on-one sessions through Zoom, then scale up into group lessons or recorded courses. Method 6. Resumes and cover letter services. Job seekers are constantly looking for professional resumes and cover letters. GPT-5 can generate strong, structured drafts based on a person's career history. As a beginner, you can offer resume writing services online. Ask clients for their details, input them into GPT-5, and edit the draft for style and accuracy. This service is valuable because many job seekers struggle with self-presentation. By combining GPT-5's efficiency with your careful editing, you deliver a product that gives people confidence and opportunities. Method 7. Affiliate marketing with content. Affiliate marketing is a model where you promote products and earn commissions on sales. GPT-5 helps you by generating blog posts, reviews, and promotional content at scale. Beginners can start by building a blog or simple website around a niche, such as fitness gear or online courses. Instead of spending hours writing reviews, you can use GPT-5 to produce structured, SEO-friendly content quickly. As your site gains traffic, you begin earning affiliate income. With consistency, this method can grow from a few dollars to thousands per month. Method 8. Selling prompts and templates. One unique opportunity with GPT-5 is selling prompts. A prompt is the instruction you give the AI to generate content. Beginners who experiment with prompts and discover useful ones can package them as templates. For example, you can create prompt packs for social media captions, YouTube ideas, or email marketing. Sell these packs on online marketplaces. Beginners like you can turn simple AI instructions into valuable products, since not everyone knows how to communicate with GPT-5 effectively. Method 9. Copywriting for businesses. Every business needs compelling copy, sales pages, email sequences, and product descriptions. GPT-5 is a powerful partner in copywriting because it can generate multiple versions of persuasive text instantly. Beginners can start by offering small services like product descriptions for e-commerce stores. With experience, you can expand into high-ticket services such as website copy. The advantage is that GPT-5 gives you endless ideas and drafts, while you focus on refining tone and creating a personal touch. Method 10. Personal productivity services. This method is more creative. Many people pay for virtual assistants to help with tasks. You can become a virtual assistant who uses GPT-5 in the background. That means you respond to emails, prepare reports, or research topics using AI assistants. Since GPT-5 makes your work faster, you can handle multiple clients without stress. Beginners can charge hourly rates and increase them as they gain experience. Over time, this can turn into a professional freelance business, scaling toward $5,000 a month. Each of these methods can generate income, but the real power comes from combining them. Start with one service, like freelance writing. As you gain confidence, add another, such as ebooks or YouTube script writing. When you diversify your income streams, you protect yourself from risk and accelerate your path to $5,000 a month. For example, you could earn $2,000 from freelance writing, $1,500 from YouTube scripts, and $1,500 from selling digital products. Together, that is $5,000, and all built with GPT-5 at the core. The beginner's roadmap. Let us simplify everything into a roadmap you can follow. Choose one method that interests you the most. Set up your profile or platform, a Fiverr gig, a blog, or a YouTube channel. Use GPT-5 to create your first deliverables. Improve your process after every project or upload. Stay consistent for 3 months minimum. Add a second method once the first is running smoothly. Scale up with higher pricing, recurring clients, and more digital products. Here's something to imagine. Picture yourself 6 months from now. You wake up, check your phone, and see that your ebook made 3 overnight sales. Your YouTube channel has gained 500 new subscribers. 2 clients left glowing reviews for your script writing service. All of this started with a single step, trying one beginner method with GPT-5. The difference between people who succeed and those who do not is not intelligence. It is action. Those who start, even imperfectly, are the ones who eventually earn. GPT-5 lowers the barrier so much that the only requirement now is your willingness to try. The world is entering a new era. Artificial intelligence is not replacing creativity. it is enhancing it. GPT-5 is like a partner that multiplies your output, gives you confidence, and makes difficult tasks easier. As a beginner, you can use this advantage to carve out your own path to financial independence. Remember, $5,000 a month is not a fantasy. It is simply a target made up of smaller, consistent steps. Start with one service, deliver it well, and build from there. Each method we covered today is proven, practical, and within you.